Hey guys, Chelsea here from Making Manzanita, and today we are going to teach you how to build a fire pit in your backyard. Now this is the base that we were working on because we were installing a brand new paver patio around the fire pit, but your case may be different. So if you click on the blog post below, I walk you through the basics of installing a fire pit on all of the different ground covers, including an existing paver patio or even on top of grass or dirt. So be sure to check that out if you have a different situation, but in our case, we were installing ours before we did the rest of our pavers. You're gonna want to cut the pavers around the fire pit so it's nice and snug. So you wanna start there with a nice level base. As you can see here with Logan, we placed the metal ring in the correct spot and then we laid that first row of pavers around the fire pit. And then you'll wanna grab your level and a deadbolt hammer or rubber mallet and just make sure it's nice and level. Next, you're going to want to build up the entire fire pit and just do a dry fit to make sure everything fits well together, and then you can move on to attaching them. So we have these retaining wall blocks that we are using as a part of our fire pit kit, and they have a hollow core. If yours have this as well, you want to be sure to fill it with sand as you go, and you want to work one row at a time. So you can see here we already have that first layer or that first level nice and level, and then we're adding in the second level one by one. So we're filling all the core with sand, and then be sure to brush it off well as you go. And then we're gonna follow up with construction adhesive, also maybe called landscape adhesive. So you'll put a thin bead of that along the edge of the paver there on the top, and then you're gonna press each paver into place gently. Just make sure it's nice and snug. You can see here that our kit comes with these cap pieces. I think it makes it look nice and finished, real nice top there. Now if you're doing a new paver patio like we were, this is the time where you would fill in the rest of the paver patio, and we have a whole video that walks you through that process if you want to check that out. I know that you may be tempted to start a fire right away, but be sure to check the curing time on your landscape adhesive before you do that. And then on the fire pit, that's a kit that we also got from Keystone, and it came in the same color. So this is the Victorian blend of the round fire pit kit. So all of this came together. It was super easy to install. It's got this metal ring in here to protect the stones, and then all of these pieces just fit perfectly in place, and then it's got this pretty border and it matches the other stone perfectly. We've already done a couple fires in there. It's super cozy. I can't wait to get one going tonight. We'll come out here and take some more pictures and video, kind of show you guys how it looks at night. But isn't it beautiful? We're so happy with how it turned out. Now for the exact fire pit kit that we used from Keystone Hardscapes, I've put a link to their product catalog below. You can check it out. But just to know that this is a regional Northwest fire pit kit, so it may not be available nationwide, but you can check with your local dealer to see what other options they have that may be just like this. Now, the final step is to ditch your phone, put away that laptop, grab a beanie and some s'mores kit, and just enjoy some family time out at the fire pit. There's something just magical about it that is so cozy, and it just was perfect for some family time, conversation, and storytelling. I hope you enjoyed this video. Be sure to check out these other videos that I think you will love, and subscribe so you don't miss the next one. Have a great day.